Hello, welcome to Variable Code. Here I am introducing step-by-step Angular course. Angular is a powerful tool that allows developer to create dynamic and interactive applications. In this course, I will take you from beginner level to a confident Angular developer. This course will provide you with the knowledge and skills to become proficient in Angular. Throughout the course, we will cover a wide range of topics including the basics of Angular architecture, components, directives, services, and modules, and etc. Let's start with introduction. Angular Introduction. Angular is a open source JavaScript framework which is used to build complex web applications. Which is open source means which is freely available in the net. JavaScript framework like it is based on JavaScript, so which is used to build the web applications more interactive. Angular has TypeScript, which is superset of JavaScript, so it is an advanced version of JavaScript. So Angular can easily test by unit testing and end-to-end testing. You can test the code very easily by using unit testing. So it is an advantage of Angular. It can test the line by line also. You can test the every functionality of the testing file by using the unit testing. Coming to the Angular has more specifications like custom components, data binding, dependency injection, and testing. Angular uses Node.js, TypeScript, and Angular CLI. Here, Node.js is used uh, and server side and front end side also. So here Angular CLI is also useful for command line interface. Coming to the Angular, first introduce Angular JS. After that it is updated to the Angular 2. Up to current version Angular 15 is running. So every versions they simplified all the features which is useful for the developers. So Angular uses forms like reactive forms and template driven forms. So here template driven forms mostly used in the static type of websites. Coming to the reactive forms, it can interactive more and it can shows the errors also very effectively. Coming to the Angular takes significant changes on day-to-day development. It will add more features by using the versions introducing. So Angular uses Jasmine framework for unit testing and Karma for runner. Here Jasmine is a framework. You can write unit test for every functionalities and uh, and after that you can easily understand after latter classes detail. Is a Karma is a runner. While you are using Angular Jasmine framework, Karma is mandatory to run this framework. You can identify the errors by using the Karma runner. So Angular uses protractor framework for end-to-end testing. Angular can use all third-party libraries like NGRX, RxJS for effective state management. These NGRX and RxJS will discuss later in detail and depth. Coming to the Angular supports cross platforms and responsive and easily maintain the code. Cross platform means it can adjust every devices like tabs, mobile phones, and laptop PCs. So responsive, adjust in a different um, tablets and computers. So easily and maintain the code. Single page web applications makes a web application faster and responsive design. So Angular having Angular CLI command line interface by using npm. NPM means Node Package Manager. Node.js also can be useful in the Angular for server-side environment to develop robust and complex server-side projects. So I have explained this Angular introduction later classes. I will cover all the concepts in detail. Please subscribe my channel to get more updates, and I will after the course you will be master in Angular. Thank you. I will introduce another concept, Angular CLI, in next class. Thank you so much.